Happy New Year! Woohoo! 2019, it's here. We've hit a special sweet spot. 2,000 subs, 2,000! Taffy has applied for another test, for her full test again. So yeah, we thought we'd get out and start doing some more practicing again. There's something wrong with your bike. There's something wrong with your bike. You're missing the L plates.
What L plate?
She passed, everyone. Well done, Taffy. Yay! I knew you could do it. So it's the electro dance. Oh, it's swipe around time. That's just naughty. Fucking hell. Oh my god, I want one of these. Mark, what have you done to me? Marks and Spencer's Gastro Pub Fish and Chips.
If it fits, I eat.
The shoulder's looking very bulky today. Yeah. Rock and roll, people. Rock and roll lifestyle. Yeah, it's the beach. What on earth is that? That's not a bike. That is a penis and testicles. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, I can see it. Oh god. Yeah, that's brilliant. Can't take her anywhere. Whoa, Tough is crazy! Do you want a camera? You don't know?
Who wants to watch me?
Who wants to watch Taffy? I need some more new gloves.
No, you don't.
Here is the beast. Izzy Wizzy Wizzy 600. Let's get busy. It's not insane. Buying it for Taffy. Buying it for me. Buying it for Taffy. Oh, gorgeous. I love it.
There we go. 1, 2, guys. Back down. Any problems with the shout?
Right, Taffy. Here she is. About to take her first ride of her new bike. The Naughty Ninja.
Quite tall. It's gonna be a challenge.
Riding it.
Yeah. Quite difficult.
She goes. There she goes. She says that it feels really big and it's going to be a challenge. She just said it sounds amazing. Unreal?
Not real.
Not real. No, it is real, dude. Well done. Well done. Listen to Taffy, rev bombing in the tunnel. Bless her. She's definitely going to get an asbo. Careful, Taffy. There's a fucking island up there. Fuck's sake, girl. So I think it's fair to say Taffy is starting to pick the pace up a bit. I've had some news, as some of you kind of heard in one of my last vlogs. Grizz hasn't been well. Basically, I've got celiac disease. Fuck me. Fucking GoPro's off. We got it. My God, it's still alive. I'm very lucky, I'm very pleased to say, that someone's reached out to us and offered us a car, basically. Big shout out and a big thank you to Phil Grove. He is the service manager there. Drive Vauxhall. Western Supermare. Here we are. Where's the car? There she is.
Tuffy Dare's first vlog.
Hello, everybody. It's Taffy Dare. Oh no. Casualty. First casualty of the ride. Fly. Just got head-butted me. Then I won. Sorry, Fly. We are going to Fowlers. The Fowlers we will go. The Fowlers we will go. I heard your name of the Fowlers we will go. Something like that.
Good morning, guys. It's Grizz here. He's at Drive Vauxhall in Western Supermare. So, yeah, the practical thing about this car is that it also has a socket in the back. Yeah, you can do your ironing. Ooh, ooh. Right, so, yeah, lovely. Really, that is the ultimate in convenience, roadside convenience. Love it. Well done, Vauxhall. I love the plug. Nice plug.
Hello, everyone. It is I, Taffy. No Grizz today. All by myself. All by myself. There it is. Ninja. My little beastie. A green beast. Yeah, I love it. Absolutely love it. This particular 600, when I sat on it, I was literally like, oh my God, you know, I'm gonna die around the corner. But proved me wrong completely. It's absolutely easy, stupidly easy to ride.
Toronto V4 1100, absolute beauty and a beast. Oh. Oh, listen to that. Oh, listen. Oh. Oh, it's going to be one of those days. That is effortless. Effortless speed. Makes my bike feel slow. Oh my God. This is addictive. This machine, oh, so addictive. Grizz isn't big on wheelies, but I have a feeling if I owned one of these, I would become one. Wheelie, oh my God. So good day everyone, it's Grizz and Taffy. We're out on the bikes, and today is a bit special. We've got intercoms. Hello Taffy!
Oh, hello Grizz!
Someone has been just absolutely awesome, amazing, and donated to the channel and basically bought us new intercoms. Really dangerous. This is what really annoys me about our bloody system here. We chuck all this grit down on these roads. You chuck wet tarmac down, loads of grit, and they don't tidy up. Look at this. This is just like what you just seen is
gravel,
basically
yeah.
because the counts aren't doing their jobs properly.
Can I go in?
Yeah, of course you can.
If you like pina colada.
Oh my God, she's singing
Get
again.
caught in the rain. Right, I'm gonna pick something. All right. Lemon, summer fruits. Sugar-free, lemon and lime. I'm gonna get lemon and lime.
How to be a good rider when you have a pillion? Yeah, just ride like you've got a burrito and a six-pack on the back seat.
Shut up! No, don't! Oh, fuck off! Douchebag.
This is how not to ride with a pillion. Well, so here she is. It's a new beast for the channel. But what I want to do, like I said, is just use this for the winter, tart it up a bit, and then basically I'll sell it, and then we'll buy something else. Gonna get some more bikes basically going through the channel. Shit, it's overheating. Oh dear. Right, we've been here now for 5 minutes. It's not overheated. I think that is fixed. I think Grizz fixed it. Bristol Kawasaki, the Bristol Kawasaki Centre, has put Grizz on their insurance, and Grizz is going to do test rides for Bristol Kawasaki. It's been an amazing experience, this bike. And Grizz has decided that it's time to say goodbye to the BMW. I have found another bike. So here is the maiden voyage. Oh, come on, mate. Fucking hell. Grizz, just be sensible. Just chill, Grizz. Stop being a dick. Okay, we're doing the first test ride for Bristol Kawasaki. And I'm taking out this lovely Z900 RS. Super naughty speeds, super comfortable, and super handling, and to top it off, super cool. I mean, what more do you want? The Ducati is going on the Ducati stand. It's just a beautiful bike, and I don't regret the purchase at all.
Bye bye, 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 love ya, bye. Oh.